Hey there, I have a big announcement to make today, and I thought, you know what? This would be the easiest and the perfect way to do it. So I could just share some of my excitement with you. Now, this is completely and totally unscripted, but I do have an outline, so no fear. I am going to make this short and totally worth your time. All right, so drum roll, please. The announcement is that your morning basket plus is now Wonder Studies. We have totally changed the name of our membership. And you might be wondering, why would you change the name of a membership that has been around? Oh goodness, I think it's 7 years now. And the reason is because we are slightly changing the purpose of the membership. I want to break down for you why, what's going to be the same, what's going to be different, what's going to be included, and also how this can help you in your homeschool. I have a lot to cover in the next few minutes. First of all, let's talk about why the name change and why we are changing things up. A few years ago, we really leaned into our monthly exploration themes for families to do in morning time. And once we introduced these, families absolutely loved them and started using these fun monthly themes. And I even used them myself. I basically used them through the text service that we had. I would get the text every morning. My kids and I would click on the link and we would go look at all the wonderful truth, goodness, and beauty that was included in the explorations. And this was how we added art and music and picture study and nature study and all of those different kinds of things, a little bit of poetry and memory work to our morning time. And that was with those explorations, and they were perfect for that. Not too long after that, we realized that there were families who had preschoolers, and I remember myself the struggle that I had when my third child started preschool. I had all of this guilt because I was not doing the wonderful preschool with him that I had done with my older kids. And so we added our Little Explorers program, which uses the very same theme as our explorations each month, but it was preschool stuff. Families could then go in and choose one or two different activities from the preschool to do with their youngest kids, and the preschoolers still felt like they had their own thing and they were following the theme with the families. We did that about 3 years ago, adding that Little Explorers component. Then we noticed something happening. We had families who had elementary aged kids who were first grade through about 6th or 7th grade, and they were taking the content that was in the explorations and they were starting to add kind of rabbit trails and other things to it and using those explorations as a springboard to a unit study style learning where all of their content area subjects for their school day, everything outside of math and learning to read and stuff like that, were coming from those explorations. And our very own member success manager, Lainey Homan, she was leading the charge on this. This was how she was doing learning with her 4 youngest kids. And it really got us to thinking, hey, a lot of families would probably love to do this kind of learning, but they don't necessarily have the time for mom to figure out all the pieces for herself, to pull everything together, to find the right resources and to make the lessons. And so we said, we can do that. We can make this so easy for families. And that's when our newest piece was born. And those are Voyages. So right now with Wonder Studies, which used to be your Morning Basket Plus, you still get the Little Explorers. You still get the morning time explorations. And now we are adding that third piece this year, the Voyages. And what the Voyages do is they take the exact same theme that are in all the others and they expand it out so that if a family wants to do a unit study based on that theme, they want to check off the boxes of science and social studies and language arts using the same stuff that they're doing in their morning time, they absolutely can. But the wonderful part is all 3 of the components are slightly separate. So if you just want to use the morning time explorations, you can do that too. Once we started adding in the Voyages unit study component, we realized that the name Your Morning Basket Plus didn't quite describe what it was we were doing anymore. We thought Wonder Studies was a much better description of what we were doing. We're trying to bring a little bit of wonder to the school day, whether that be with your preschooler, whether that be through morning time for all your kids, or whether that be with the unit studies, or a mix and match of all three. It is wonderful, no pun intended, how all of these work together to provide this complete educational system for your entire family. I absolutely love it. That's the why and the what, these new voyages that we have going on. And then how does this make things more simple for your family? And that's just, you are able to integrate learning more. You have preschoolers, you have kids in elementary school, maybe even at some point you have this high schooler there, this upper middle schooler who can join you for part of the day and leave, but you're able to do the same theme for everyone. You're able to study the same topics. Everyone's talking about the same things. And these are fascinating, really interesting topics. We've had topics like Brazil, and we have topics like the rainforest coming up. We've had topics in the past like presidents. We even have fun ones like baseball and confections, and we have some for the holidays too, with things like A Christmas Carol coming out later this year. So these are fabulous, rich topics that your kids are just going to absolutely love. Now look, I realize change can sometimes be a little bit scary. So if you're like, I have questions about this Wonder Studies thing and how it might be different, we are happy to answer them for you. You can come to our community. You can find that at pambarnhill.com. Click free community at the top, or you can send us a question to info@pambarnhill.com, and a member of the team will get back with you. You can leave me a question below if you're watching this on video, and we would be happy to answer the question for you there. And one more special thing, this is our bonus period right now. We do this every August where we have a bonus. Used to be for Your Morning Basket Plus. Now it's for Wonder Studies. And if you become a new annual member of Wonder Studies between now and August 16th, we will send you a free morning time journal and planner to your home. And you can see what those look like right back there. And this is just a great way to plan out and journal your memories of all of the wonderful things that you are doing in your homeschool. And we'll ship it to you absolutely free if you join between now and August 16th as an annual member. So come check us out. Now look, our morning time stuff is not going away. We still have standalone morning time plans on our website. We have our language arts together and our citizenship together and different ways for families to learn together. But we really do feel like one of the best ways is to use our monthly themes in Wonder Studies, simplify your homeschool life, bring all your kids together. We even show you how to do the differentiated learning and do it for the different levels of your kids, and just enjoy homeschooling. Let us know what questions you have. And thanks for watching.